How to order a Tesla. Ultimate step-by-step guide explained. Buying a Tesla car for the first time might be confusing. But if you want to order a Tesla in 2021, then this video is for you. I am the owner of the Tesla Model Y 2021. And in this video, I'll guide you on how you can order your favorite Tesla car. Hello and welcome back to my Tesla EV World channel. Today, I'm here with the most requested topic of how to order a Tesla. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can easily order a Tesla car to add a luxurious touch to your lifestyle. If you want to know how you can order a Tesla, then stay tuned. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Also hit that notification bell so you never miss any upcoming videos. With that said, let's jump straight into the video. Before discussing how to order a Tesla, let's have a short overview of why to choose Tesla. I have already made a detailed video on why to choose Tesla over any other car. You can check that out too. Tesla is a symbol of manufacturing luxurious auto cars. Although expensive, these cars outperform other cars in style and performance. Buying a Tesla car is expensive, but its expenses are less than that of fuel-operated cars. Also, if you want to experience an electric car, you must give Tesla a try. But make sure to go through the complete review of the Tesla car before buying it. I ordered Tesla Model Y 2021 model this year. And it has been a great experience driving this car. Thus, here is a detailed guideline on how to order a Tesla. Visit Tesla's website at tesla.com. You might think that why can't you order a Tesla car from a Tesla showroom? You can place an order there, but ordering Tesla from their official website will give you the best experience. So, visit Tesla's official website at tesla.com and place your order. You'll have to provide your email and a password for this. Placing an order doesn't mean that your car will reach your doorsteps within a few minutes. You can log in to your account using the same email and password you used for placing the order. From there, click on Tesla Delivery Day to know the estimated delivery date. The delivery time also varies from model to model and place to place. Don't think if your friend got a car in 7 days, you'll also get your car in 7 days. According to my experience, Tesla always struggles to meet its delivery deadlines. But you always get the best quality car. Tesla Model Y and Model 3 are the most demanding Tesla cars at present. All of these models have different price tags and delivery times. You can check customer reviews to know the exact delivery timing for your location. Visit Tesla's showroom. Most of you might find this method a bit easier. Visiting Tesla's showroom can give you the best customer company experience. You can discuss your car with the representatives. The main advantage of visiting Tesla showrooms is you can see the car in front of your eyes. But Tesla doesn't send all of its cars to showrooms. So, you may or may not find your dream car there. Anyway, Tesla showrooms offer a free test drive, which I think is the best strategy. You can have hands-on experience of driving a Tesla car. Yes, it might not be the car model you are looking for. But at least, you'll get an idea of how you'll feel while driving Tesla. A lot of you might not have any Tesla showrooms nearby. Don't worry, because Tesla organizes several car events to increase their customers. You can visit such events to have a test drive. There is no such condition that you must have to purchase a Tesla car if you try a test drive. So, never miss this chance at all. I, unfortunately, missed it. But I am happy with what I bought. Buying your favorite model. After having a test drive, you'll decide whether to buy a Tesla car or not. With my experience, I can guarantee that all of you will plan to purchase a Tesla. It is because driving a Tesla makes you feel that you are the luckiest person on earth. Tesla car offers exciting features which make it unique from its competitors. Buying a Tesla car is as easy as buying other products. If you have a Tesla showroom nearby, you can visit it and order your dream car. But it is not compulsory because I ordered my Tesla online, and they gave me the best price. While booking a Tesla online, you'll have to give your information like name, email, and residential address. After completing the procedure, Attach your credit card with your Tesla account to pay for your car. You can either pay the full amount or installments. But keep in mind that installments would cost you more than the actual price. Financing and leasing. Almost every car company serves you with a financing feature. For those who don't know, financing means you pay for the car and become the owner. It is the transfer of ownership for an unlimited time. You pay for the car, and you can keep it for a lifetime. It is the best way to own a Tesla car. You can use and modify your car according to your choice. But it is expensive because you have to deposit the full amount of that car. If you can pay the whole amount like me, then visit Tesla.com and follow their instructions to get financing. Tesla also offers a leasing feature to its customers. It is a unique feature that only a few companies give to their customers. Leasing means temporary ownership. A customer pays some amount and buys a car for a limited time. You can associate it with rent-a-car service. But leasing is actually a trial driving period. Leasing is best for you if you can't pay the entire amount on the spot. If you want to show off, you can utilize the leasing option. It will save you a lot of money. Tesla registration. We are almost there. It is the second last step before you can sit in your car and enjoy your ride. Tesla registration is the same as the registration of other vehicles. If your house is far away from a Tesla showroom, you have to ask for temporary number plates for car registration. It really is a time-consuming step. Moving further, if you order a Tesla for financing or leasing, you must provide your accurate details while registering yourself. The same condition applies when buying a car from a third party. I recommend contacting Tesla customer support if you have any questions. They'll guide you in the best possible way. Tesla delivery. It is perhaps the last step in how to order a Tesla. If you have completed the above steps, it is time for you to wait for your car to arrive. You have two options to get your dream car. The first one is, you can visit your nearest Tesla showroom and pick it up. The second option is the Tesla Direct Delivery. It is an online delivery option where they will charge you additional delivery charges. This process is also slower than taking delivery from a Tesla showroom. But you take delivery at your doorsteps. I used Tesla Direct, but they took 2 weeks to deliver my car. But the car was in its best condition. Now, it is up to you which method you'll prefer for getting your car. Conclusion. Ordering a Tesla car might seem difficult to you. But it is almost identical to buying other products either online or offline. In this video, I gave you a step-by-step guideline on how to order a Tesla. If you still have any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Thanks for making it this far till the end of the video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, share this video with those who don't know how to buy a Tesla car. I ordered Tesla through their official website because I had no Tesla showroom nearby. But if you have a Tesla showroom nearby, you can visit it and buy your dream car on the spot. Do let me know which model you will buy. Also, let me know how you will order your Tesla car. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, be sound.